Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created an Instagram AI chat, and in that chat, a profile photo will be there. If you want to change the style of that profile photo, you can do that. For example, you can change that profile photo style to an animated 3D style or something like that. Anyways, first, what we need to do is open the Instagram application. After that, here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you click on that, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you click on that, here you can see AI chats. Click on AI chats. When you click on that, you'll reach AI Studio, and here you can see your AIs. Under that, you can see every AI chat that you've created. For example, I'm selecting this AI chat. After that, here you can see the settings button. Click on this settings button. When you click on that, here you can see the profile photo, and next to that, you can see a pencil-like button. Click on this button. When you click on that, you'll reach a page like this. Here you can see every style. Now, this is in 3D style. If you want to change that, you can change it. For example, I'm selecting anime. Now here you can see that the photo is an anime style. Anyways, after that, click on the Done button, and then click on the Publish button. When you click on that, the settings will be saved. So, this way, you can easily change the style of your Instagram AI chat created by you. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.